Want to make your restaurant shine this holiday season? Christmas Decor transforms your dining space into a place of warmth, charm, and celebration. From festive lighting to table accents, the right decorations make guests feel welcome and encourage them to linger. Let's explore ways to give your restaurant that unforgettable holiday atmosphere. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a great Christmas tree setup for restaurants? Place one large tree in a visible corner or several smaller ones throughout. Decorate with neutral or themed ornaments that align with your restaurant's brand identity. Tree ready for diners? Like this if your tree makes guests smile. What music and scent can complement decor? Play classic or jazzy holiday tunes at a comfortable volume. Use subtle seasonal scents like cinnamon or pine through candles or diffusers to engage all senses. All senses aligned? Like this if your guests feel cheer from every detail. What kind of seasonal accents work subtly? Swap artwork for holiday prints, use festive menus, or add small touches like pine sprigs on napkins. These details create charm without overwhelming the space. Accents with impact? Like this if your details delight every diner. What kind of lighting works best? Choose warm string lights, candles, or lanterns. Hang fairy lights in windows or wrap them around beams to create a cozy, inviting glow that feels both festive and intimate. Lighting the mood? Like this if your space shines with holiday warmth. How do I style the bar area? Accent shelves with evergreen, Add themed glassware and hang small ornaments or lights. A decorated bar becomes both a visual centerpiece and a cozy gathering spot. Bar looking merry? Like this if your counter shines with seasonal spirit. How do I create a festive first impression? Dress your entrance with garlands, wreaths, and twinkling lights. Add a Christmas tree or seasonal signage to make guests feel the spirit as soon as they walk in. Greeting guests in style? Like this if your entry feels instantly festive. How do I balance festivity with elegance? Stick to a consistent theme and color palette, whether classic red and green, gold and white, or rustic chic. Balance sparkle with simplicity for a polished finish. Perfectly balanced decor? Like this if your restaurant feels merry, yet refined. Can outdoor spaces be decorated too? Yes, use string lights on patios, lanterns on tables, or heated igloos with decor inside. Outdoor touches extend the holiday spirit beyond the dining room. Patio full of cheer? Like this if your outdoor setup feels magical. How can I include staff in the holiday atmosphere? Provide festive uniforms, aprons, or pins. Coordinated touches make staff part of the decor and help spread the joyful, welcoming mood to every guest. Team spirit showing? Like this if your staff glows with holiday pride. How can I incorporate window displays? Decorate windows with frosted decals, hanging ornaments, or twinkling lights. A window display draws in passersby while making the interior glow with holiday magic. Windows telling stories? Like this if your glass sparkles for all to see. How can I decorate tables without overcrowding? Use simple centerpieces like candles, greenery, or small ornaments. Add festive napkins or subtle chargers that enhance the look without taking up dining space. Tables dressed right? Like this if your setup is festive but functional. Can I use garlands for extra charm? Absolutely. Drape them along bars, windows, or stair railings. Add bows, pine cones, or lights for texture. They frame the space beautifully and add festive cheer. Garlands that glow? Like this if yours wrap your restaurant in warmth. Christmas decorations transform restaurants into destinations full of warmth and celebration. With thoughtful trees, lighting, and accents, you create a place where every meal feels like a holiday gathering. Make your space festive, inviting, and unforgettable this season. Inspired to decorate? Like and return for more holiday design ideas.